Good evening, guys. Follow me as I show you the story of my life as an AI novice and my road to $100 million. So I've actually made a lot of money before in the past, but somehow, in the midst of those success, I have failed, or at least I have the feeling that I failed because right now, as an author of 5 books, Theory and Technologies of the Future, Blockchain, Artificial Intelligence, and Metaverse, two in entrepreneurship and leadership, and I've collaborated with people across different continents, US and all that. It's Africa, UK. I want to say it like Steve Wozniak said, make cool things or do cool. And when I was young, I loved to play with toys and build things. So naturally, I was drawn towards the technology side. Although I loved foreign exchange, forex, and that is the reason why we actually started with a internet exchange business, I guess, for the cryptocurrency OTC desk where we've done millions of dollars. And I have spent over 59,000 hours on blockchain technology, and I decided to pivot to artificial intelligence. I'm trying to prepare the script for tomorrow. And I'm trying to learn the back end of how to deliver the script. So the topic is around me being able to get people to help with an artificial intelligence trick. And I don't know anything about it, so they are saying I should prepare the trick. This is why I love consistency, because today is day 14. So I now need to start learning how to do this. I need to show a simple artificial intelligence app results. I'm guessing who buys candy to a colorful chart using a pre-modeled app like Google Colab or a basic model tool instead of coding live. So that artificial intelligence thing made my app to work. So I had to come learn how to use Google Colab. I signed up and gave me this interface, and I had to watch a YouTube video this 1 year.
Hi there, I'm Julie.
And after 5 minutes, I came back to this interface. And yes, this is me now learning how to code with Google Colab. So there are a couple of advantages of Google Colab. One of the great advantages of Google Colab is the fact that you can use your Gemini artificial intelligence. And for those of you that already have a pro version of paid artificial intelligence, it becomes very exciting for you because you would just be killing it back to back. So I started with, the sweet part of this Google Colab is that it connects libraries to Python so that I don't have to be coding crazy. So all I need to do is click on code here, and I clicked on this generate and brought out this interface for me, and I told it what I wanted, which you saw on my XAI, and it then gave me this app. Ideally, I don't know how to code in Python, so see, it helped me code it in Python. but I know how to interpret some of the things in Python. So you can see simulate a short video. Simulate AI guessing the result of confidence. A kid with $5 would buy a candy. Confidence 0.8. Simulate data chart for the kids. Confidence 0.5 and 0.15 and 0.05. So you see those data. Take note of them, and then it ended the code. So I didn't supposed to do a video, but this video is meant to go out, come from an external link, so you can see that being represented in a chart here, and you can see that for 0.15 and 0.05. So here is the likelihood of the distribution, and one sweet part of it was when it was able to explain error for me. At a point in time I got stuck and I just had to click explain, and it helped me to explain this error. And I was trying to figure out why the video was not playing, and I wanted it to be a 15 seconds video, but all well and good. I was able to learn something new today in my journey of artificial intelligence, and I think I can now code better with some level of confidence in Python using artificial intelligence tools. And this directly syncs with Google GPUs, Google TPUs, and wow, look at the GPUs here. GPUs have graphic processing units, TPUs tensor processing units. So guys, if you've loved this video and you've loved my growth process, I'm going to come back now to finish up the script for tomorrow. Join in, like this video, share it, and will be uploading this type of videos more often to share my life as an AI novice, getting from point A to point B, even though I'm an author and a course creator already. Alright, have the best. And I've already built AI products, but I still consider myself a novice. I think a wise man said you only stop learning when you die. But I am ending this video with a very high level of excitement because I was able to code today. Until next time, my very good friends, see you.